1903. The automobile exists, but only for them. A single car cost 3 years of wages. Building one took 12 hours of hand craftsmanship. Then Henry Ford asked, what if the car came to the worker, instead of the worker going to the car? 1908. The Model T. Simple, durable, designed for scale. 1913. The scale assembly line. 12 hours became 90 minutes. Production exploded. 1914. $5 a day, double the wages. Workers became his customers. For the first time, the people who built cars could own them. 15 million Model Ts. Not just cars. Freedom. Ford's scale assembly line became the blueprint for the 20th century. Today, every car built, every worker paid fairly, carries his legacy. Henry Ford didn't just build cars faster, he built them smarter.